Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 16. It is from chapter 2 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we have a cheetah that can accelerate from rest to a speed of 30.0 meters per second in 7.00 seconds, and we need to find the acceleration. So let's write down what we know. The cheetah starts from rest, so that means the initial velocity v0 is 0 meters per second. The cheetah gets up to a speed of 30.0 meters per second, so that's our final velocity, 30.0 meters per second. He gets up to this speed in 7 seconds, so our elapsed time, sometimes we'll use delta t, sometimes we'll just use t. It always means elapsed time, and this is 7.00 seconds. Acceleration is the change in velocity, which is the final velocity minus the initial velocity, and then that is divided by the elapsed time, delta t. So the acceleration is going to be 30.0 meters per second minus 0 meters per second divided by 7.00 seconds. I put these numbers in the calculator. I got 4.285, and we could write meters per second or meters per second squared. And so we look back at our final velocity and the time. They both have 3 sig figs, so we'll use 3 sig figs here, and that rounds to 4.29, and it is meters per second squared. That is the cheetah's acceleration. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.